I know, it's still going to feel a little bit like end of summer, really. So yes, it's a great weekend to catch some baseball. You know, we've had pretty good temperatures so far. It's just going to get even better as we get closer to the weekend. Right now, in the mid-60s, 64 in New York, same with Long Island, 66 for Hartford, Connecticut, and Poughkeepsie, and Newark. And we also have 64 down the shore in New Jersey. We're a little bit cooler than this time yesterday, but that's going to switch around tomorrow and we'll warm up. So that'll be nice. We hit 68 today in New York, 69 out on Long Island. Most of us just in the mid to upper 60s, been very consistent the last few days. We hit 74 Newark and Trenton. This is pretty typical for this time of year. Usually we just see about 70 degrees, so really just a couple degrees cooler, and then tomorrow we'll get right back up to be just a little bit more for average for this time of year. Now, it's still like summer in the southeast, 86 in Atlanta. We see 93 for Miami today, and then check out the west coast. 108 for Phoenix, so still very hot there, but look at San Francisco, 86 degrees. If you know anything about San Francisco, you know that's not even what they usually hit for the summer. That's because we have some pretty extreme heat right now for the west coast, and over the course of the next day or so, we could see some record high temperatures in this purplish region, which includes Las Vegas, Phoenix, Los Angeles. And if you know anything about those cities, you know it takes a lot to have record-breaking heat. So it's pretty peculiar for this time of year to see temperatures this high in October. Now let's also just switch gears to check in on Hurricane Kirk, still forming over the East Atlantic. But the good thing is it's not going to make landfall anywhere. It's just going to stay over the East Atlantic Ocean. It's moving with very strong winds, 90 miles an hour. It's a Category 1 hurricane right now. It might strengthen up to a Cat 4. And then, like I said, it's just going to keep over the ocean and just keep developing over there until about Monday. So still has a few days of development for that storm. Now for us, we're just going to see a little bit more cloud cover for tomorrow morning, but then it clears up really nice mid-afternoon and will be in the 70s. So by lunchtime tomorrow, you should expect a really nice day. And then Friday, we'll have a little bit of cloud cover that returns in the morning. But for the most part, it should be mostly clear as well. We have a slight chance of rain early Saturday morning, and that's mainly north of New York. So New York, Long Island won't even have to worry about it. But it looks like we could have a little bit of rain, again, early morning just to the north of the city. Lows tonight are going to be in the mid to upper 50s. Unless you're up in Monticello, the low is 51. And then tomorrow we'll cross into the 70s, so it'll be a great day. But we will be a little bit cooler down the shore in New Jersey, just high of 68. And then warmer over the weekend. Saturday, high of 77, a great time. Sunday cools down a little bit to 72. And then next week into just the 60s.
Ooh.
Oh, cover your eyes, Bianca.
Our reactions were both the same.
Oh,
just get outside this weekend.
That's
enjoy
right.
it while it's here.
Enjoy it while we can.
Make the most of it. All right, up next, how